Willie, what do you want? You want some salad? You want salad? Or you want a salad?
Mama, a sandwich.
A salad?
Sandwich.
I thought he said he wanted a salad.
No sandwich.
Willie? Are you sure you didn't say you wanted a salad?
That's it.
You want a salad?
That's it.
He's gotten quiet now. He was almost yelling at me a minute ago because he was trying to explain. No, he wants a sandwich. He wants more sandwich.
One sandwich.
Or salad.
Salad.
You want salad?
Salad.
Salad?
Not salad.
Okay, I'll make you some more sandwich, okay? Say I love you.
I have you.
Say thank you, Tasha.
Thank you, Tessa.
Okay, bye-bye.
No more.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Nothing? You want salad?